Here is a lightning to USB cable from CHOETECH. It comes in different length, for example 1 meter, 2 meter. And they are made of nylon, so that's pretty neat. So let's see how they look. Here it is. The 1 meter USB to Lightning cable for your iOS devices. And I will have a link in the description text to where you can buy this one. And I will also have a giveaway in my huge Apple community on Google+. The only thing you need to do is to comment on my post about this Lightning to USB cable in that community. And in the comment you should write "I want one." The first one to write "I want one" in my Apple community on my post with this Lightning to USB cable will get one sent to them. A 1 meter cable, a 1 meter Lightning to USB cable will be sent to you. Let's see how the 2 meter one looks like. Probably the same. Same design, as you can see, pretty neat. Nylon. And looks to be very, very high quality. I like the quality, the build quality of this. I like that. Let's see how it looks with a charger, an Apple charger. So let's plug this in like that. As you can see, the charger is white and the cable connector is black. But the cable itself is a bit gray in nylon. So let's see how it looks together with my iPad. So here's my iPad, and here is a 1 meter USB to Lightning cable from CHOETECH. And just plug it in into the iPad like that. So now I can charge my iPad using this cable. And it looks pretty cool if you ask me, because as you can see, my iPad Air 2 is the gold version, so it has a white bezel around it. So the CHOETECH cable, as you can see here, is black in the connector and looks pretty neat together with the white bezel and the black screen. I like that. It looks pretty neat. So remember, you have a link in the description text to where you can buy this cable. And also I have a giveaway in my Apple community on Google+. You will find a link to that in the description text, and to my post about this cable where you can comment "I want one," and you will have it sent to you. I have a giveaway for 1 cable, so the first one that comments "I want one" will get one. So go do that. Okay, bye.